Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning different insects vocabulary in English with pictures. Spider, spider. Mosquito, mosquito. Butterfly, butterfly. Ladybug, ladybug. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Cockroach, cockroach. Firefly, firefly. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Praying mantis, praying mantis. Honeybee, honeybee. Bumblebee, bumblebee. Cricket, cricket. Headlights, headlights. Termite, termite. Flea, flea. Hornet, hornet. Moth, moth. Centipede, centipede. Fly, fly. Aphid, aphid. Midge, midge. Tick, tick. Bedbug, bedbug. Silverfish, silverfish. Earwig, earwig. Weevil, weevil. Lacewing, lacewing. Stick insect, stick insect. Ant, ant. Dung beetle, dung beetle. Scorpion, scorpion. Pillbug, pillbug. Waterbug, waterbug. Junebug, junebug.